Hi guys, Mr. Borden here. The reason why I call myself Mr. Borden is that plenty of students at this basically video is targeting. And anybody else who wants to learn about trading stocks or cryptocurrency. So the first thing is, have you ever gotten a haircut? You know how they like pull it up and they chop a little bit at a time? That is scalp trading. So what we're looking for is a bunch of bunts or base hits rather than a home run. So what we're going to be looking for is certain entries throughout a trading day where we could have it from seconds to a couple hours. And usually you're making 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 trades a day in one time period. So that's what scalping is. Now, swing trading obviously happens between, I don't know, a couple hours and a couple days, maybe even a couple weeks. So swings are very short term, but scalping is even shorter than that. So let's find out exactly what I mean about what is scalp trading. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's talk about what is scalp trading. Okay, so what is scalp trading, and then how are we going to do this, and how can we make some money? So I'm going to give you some examples of what I've been doing over the last couple of weeks, and please maybe like and subscribe because I'm going to be going over some videos in the future, pretty much maybe weekly or bi-weekly videos, and I will show you how to actually find the stocks or the crypto that we're going to trade and details about that. So number one, right now in this particular bull market, which means that it does go up and it does go down, I'm looking for specifically stocks that are above the 200 EMA, which is a moving average. All right. So if it's above the 200-day EMA, usually it's going to go up. And if it's below, it's usually going down. And we'll teach you how to shorten a different video in the future. All right. So we're going to use a VWAP indicator. That's a volume weighted actual price. So what that does is it actually lets us look at what the momentum is for whatever time frame that we're looking for. So we're going to be looking at it for very short time frames. Again, I will show you exactly what we're talking about in detail. Also, we're going to look for increased volume on the last day it traded. So we're going to want to see a huge green candle that like actually went up at the end of the day, so that we can look at this at maybe purchasing this pre-market or waiting for an opening and looking for a buy point. So we're going to look for a positive catalyst. So we're going to look at news on why did it either gap up or why did it increase. And we're going to enter the trade when it hits a resistance point. So I'm going to show you about those resistance points at which we're going to look. We're going to look at a daily, we're going to look at a 4-hour, and then we're going to trade on the 5-minute, 2-minute, and 1-minute time frames. So let's dive in.